This is the story of how I booked 2 random Airbnbs on the other side of the world only to see if they looked like in the pictures. But let me start from the beginning. For the next 2 weeks I'm on vacation. I have no idea where I'm going to, but yesterday night while I was trying to sleep I had this crazy idea, and that's to book a random Airbnb anywhere in the world, see how it looks on the internet, and then go check it out in real life and see what it's really like. So I'm gonna go over to my PC now and book some Airbnbs. I simply put in the dates, and after some research I decided to go to Thailand and booked this Airbnb in Chiang Mai, which in the pictures just looked gorgeous. It's a studio and there is a swimming pool, gym, there is even a motorbike included, which really intrigued me. For the second Airbnb, I wanted to go somewhere on an island, and after some research I landed on Koh Samui. Like the first Airbnb, this one looked nice with swimming pool and gym, so I just booked it. And here is where the journey begins. The Zurich airport. Going now to board my second flight to Chiang Mai. Maybe. Just arrived at the Airbnb and it's actually not what I expected, but right now I'm so tired that I'm gonna go to sleep and I'm gonna give you a tour of everything. In the morning, slept until 2:30 p.m. It's not the most exclusive place I've been to, but it's actually nice. I feel very protected. Also I can take the scooter whenever I want and go wherever I want. Here is a gym, which is nice. Here is a swimming pool, which is really awesome. And I will show you right after my coffee how everything looks like. This is what the apartment looked like. Standard bathroom, nothing special. Nice big bed, but not so much space as it was a studio. Desk where I worked, and a balcony with a washing machine and many apartments. Nice pool. Really cool rooftop with a chill area, lounge, gym with all the basic machines, and my favorite part, the motorbike. Amazing to drive, really fun, and it gives you a lot of freedom to move around. Landed in Koh Samui and now I'm going to the Airbnb. Let's go. Chiang Beach is this one. It looks like this, not like this.
Picture you can take, move, you can
fake.
yeah.
Yeah. It's all fake news. This Airbnb is way better than the other one for the price, honestly. I could fit in here at least 3 persons. We could fit them easily because we have this bed and a double size bed, and I pay $37 per night. If you're 3 persons, I mean, you would spend less than $12 a night, which is incredibly cheap. The pool is right here, looks really nice. I still have to check the gym. I found out now that you can rent a scooter. It's 200 baht a day, so that's about $6 a day, and it's pretty convenient as well if you want to go around. So right now the apartment is a little bit messy and I used it for a few days. There are so many spaces I really like and enjoy using, like for example the kitchen where I can make myself some coffee in the morning, the table which is my workspace, my editing space right now, where I can work at my laptop, and the bed is very comfortable. There is also a couch that I use actually to chill, just my chill area, to watch YouTube and stuff. The bathroom is maybe the weakest point, where the shower is a bit broken and it doesn't work really well. So in summary, this apartment really offers everything I need, and also it was as described, clean, everything, the location is good. I'm positively impressed. The one thing I would like to add about the first Airbnb is that I paid way too much for this apartment. In Chiang Mai, for the same amount of money you can get way better, but that's what I discovered only after my trip. To sum it up, I think these two Airbnbs were exactly how they were described, and I was pretty satisfied with everything. And even though the first Airbnb looked better in the pictures, the second one was way better. So if there is one lesson to be learned here, it's don't rely too much on the pictures. The reason I decided to make a video about this experience is because I myself sometimes wonder if the Airbnbs are actually how they look in the pictures, and it was really fun to film and edit this video. I really hope you liked it. By the way, for first time Airbnb users, if you want a $40 discount on your next trip, use my link in the description below. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to see more, subscribe, and I'll see you the next time in another part of the world.